Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. I'm Penny,
And I'm Mark.
and today we are doing something really fun. We wanted something for our grandchildren to be able to play with when we go outside so that I can work on the garden or whatever and keep them occupied. So I saw on Instagram a cute little outdoor kitchen. This is what their version looked like. We are going to try to imitate that, but kind of make some tweaks to make it our own. So, one of the things we want to do differently is I want to add a little sink area because who doesn't like to play in water? So, we're going to do that. And Mark has kind of mocked up what needs to be done and cut all the pieces. So, he's going to walk you through it. Now, these measurements just work for the boards that we have. You can make it whatever size you want to make it.
Okay.
And
I had a 4 foot by 2 foot rectangle. I don't even remember what I built it for, but we ended up not using it. And so I took three sides of that. Here's two legs, the side and the other leg. They're Craig screwed together. Craig jigs, man, they are awesome. Um, and then I'm going to put, can't remember how long these were, 15 1/4 inch supports sticking out from them to support the shelf. It's going to be fairly stout.
so it will only have back legs. Is that correct? Not front legs.
Correct, because we're going to attach it to the tree.
Okay.
I'm going to put a couple of 3-inch drywall screws in here because what can't you build with drywall screws? And I'm not going right into the workbench because I've got a leg down there that's in the way. This isn't working.
We just moved it down to the floor since he didn't have the support he needed.
There we go.
Good job.
Another screw. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we'll do these down here. Love me some clamps. See, this is not finished carpentry. There we go. Okay, there's two of them. Okay, now we got to decide where we want the pan. So, there, you want to go a little further that way?
Let's go a little towards you so we have more workspace. That looks about good.
Okay.
You need a hand?
Nope. A couple of screws. Yeah, that's good. Could have pre-drilled them.
So this is the spot right there.
Oh, that's pretty good right there. Maybe, yeah, it'll go there. We got to come out 3.5 inches this way because that's, so here, let's do this.
Okay. Okay, so this is the distance, and we need to cut this out to make it fit in here.
This is gonna be fun.
We're going to leave a little gap here, which is no problem whatsoever.
Let go. Okay.
On your shoe line, there it is.
Okay.
We got it fit to the sink. So now we're going to
Should move the
connect
sink.
these boards. Okay, now we're working on the uprights that will have a backsplash here so that things don't fall off, and then another board to hang pots and pans on.
Oh.
Okay. I have a video you doing it. Okay, now we're going to attach our backsplash. And these nails are just temporary to hold it together, and then we'll put a few screws in it. These were some old deck boards that had a rotten spot on it, so we took them off. They're painted on this side, and cut off the bad part, and we're just using the rest.
Okay. Ooh.
My grandchildren will love this. How about yours? Will yours love it too?
No, they're not interested in this sort of thing.
And now it's time to sand. Wipe it down and then give it some stain. Okay, let's stain it. I'm using a gel stain, and I'm just going to wipe it on and off with this rag. Okay, it's laying down on its back, but it's all stained. Tomorrow I will probably put on the top surface a polyurethane. All right, it's time to add some hooks to hang our pots and pans on. We went ahead and spaced them all about 8 inches apart. We're going to pre-drill. So we marked a couple spots for each of them so we know where to put them. And I did put a coat of polyurethane. There's the hooks. I'm really happy with this. We're going to take it outside and figure out how to attach it to the tree. We did not want to screw this into the tree. We're putting some screw eyes on and going to run some wire from eye to eye. So here's what we did. It goes all the way around the tree and back to this side. And it is very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So here it is on the tree. What?
A kitchen?
It is a kitchen. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Go see it.